What's up, my people? Welcome back to the channel. So, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. I have the lion man I get this by Rosealee. So a lot of people come out and I say, boy, Rosealee I prank the internet. You see me with the situation with our man Jakes. Seeing even Zuma come out and I say some things me I gonna make on hear with Zuma officer. Seeing so Rosealee forward on our live and I clap back at most of the people them where I see a prank and something. See, so I'm going to share that with all of my people, including the lion man. I him get it in a way where Rosealee I tell him say, fill it up. You know what I mean? Him stay out of this. Also, we have Annie and the family. You see what I say? They might get into what they might get in because here I go on my people. TT decides say boy she want to lift up out of the yard and something because of Jagger, right? And Annie I tell her, I say nothing going away. Zine until Annie eventually tell her, I say, if she want to go on, she should go on. You see me? So, they will share that we do not TT, I think she eventually left it up. You see me? I say, I don't know, say, boy, Annie them a hold up TikTok right now. I feel them drama sell the most still all Rosealee can give you a makeup story or Rosealee can sell you a story. You see me? Because Annie never go on too bad. I take away all of their attention. You see me? I say, also, my people, we have Shebada. I done Rosealee the wickedest way, and she wanna fly out my people. You know what I mean? She wanna play for use up the visa there. You see, well, him also, Shebada also address Mek Keem. You know what I mean? I say, me in your town, you know, pull up. You see me? I say, not really in your town still, but in the place, in America, right? So we have that for sure, we do know. Also, my people, Zozo, rush up a dude. We are trying to look Brit. You know what I mean? This him up in the wickedest way till all Brit I say, yo, she a ease up off of the life. And him have to tell her if you go back on the life, because you might make sure say, yo, them boy, when them a chat to you, ray, you know what I mean? Run them off of your life and make them bright up themselves with you or something. See, so these are the things me have to share with one of my people. Me have to add more things as we go on, so make we get unite.
You want me to answer? You want me to answer, baby? What's up, out your mama? What make you never start the bike? Make one car lick your fight. Dark shit. What make you no blood clot start the bike and work out the bike? Like when you have blood clot mangoes. What make you no start your blood clot bike? Like when you have mangoes run across the road. You make one truck lick your fight. Blood clot. Dark shit. Go lick out your mama with your night. Go lad straw them. Dirty cheer we fall. Dirty cheer we dog. Dirty invalid, dirty bumbuckler, dirty pussy wall, dirty gigolo on the people them up, dirty suck pussy boy. Go lick out white girl body and go marry one white girl. Go away. Dirty dog shit, dirty low life, dirty suck pussy boy. Go away. Your face come like a tissue. All crosses, all concubine, more fryer so, shit house. And baby, mark his name. Don't add him back on your screen. Mark the pussy hole on him. And look on him dirty crow face. Mark him, a shoplifter this. Don't add him back on your screen, baby. Don't add back that dog shit. Don't add him back. Suck his mother. Yeah. Shut up, somebody me go take down for Prudent a while ago. Somebody me go take down for Prudent a while ago around this one. I go on like say, he want to size up with me woman. Boy, man, go down on knee. Go down on knee, go lick up batty old dog shit.
Yeah. How la got Shanta yo? I don't think I you.
Come in, chat, and focus and shape your life. Focus, shape your life. seal to bumbuckler. Rasta boy, go find Rasta boy. Rasta boy, go suck your woman go. Suck your woman go, Rasta. Suck your man go, Rasta. Let's go to this Rasta boy. Boy like him woman. You make these pussy all I get to me. When they talk about this and talk about that, run them away. Run them. You afraid to run them? Charles, this is the next one. Charles, a blood clot next one there.
She don't remember see.
No, sit there.
No, you right. Sit there.
You know what? Do what you want to do.
No.
Do what you... Baby. No, sir. Go and sit and stream. Listen, baby, sit. The people are there. No. The people are there. Sit and stream. Sit and stream, baby. I love you, and you know that already.
But you keep on coming in to run off everyone.
Oh, so me keep on run off everyone?
On the live.
Alright then. Talk to him and them way like them. Talk to them. Entertain him and them. That's the one.
To get a glove and then we'll go from there.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. How are you doing?
Do you see yourself playing a match with me for your birthday?
What is that?
Yeah, mine just gone like a few days ago.
Oh, your birthday. Oh, happy birthday.
Happy belated. Thank you.
All right, we're just doing this battle, guys, to get some gloves, and then I might have to reset after this. I don't know what's going on because none of my actual people that I battle, I cannot see them. Native, thank you so much. All right, guys, let's focus. Whoever gets gloves, guys, if we can be here at 9.
Him want fuck and them want fuck. I'm not gonna do about that. Whoever sin cast the first stone, you know what, like me alone compare. But me I wonder, you know, when Beyonce get cheat pan Cardi B and the rest of girl them with their foreign man cheat pan them. Me no hear somehow, no. So I mean invent man cheat pan. What day when them says CMR? What day when them says Chrissy? CMR must touch Chrissy that and that them say that me hear them say. Woman a take back her husband. All charge drop and woman a play married with her blood clot husband. What do someone who work on ya? What do someone know? I invent it last night. Me never know. Rosealee invent man fuck pa woman. Me never know. So me invent it. Man fuck pa Holloway and Holloway fuck pa man. Man fuck pa Holloway and Holloway fuck pa man. Sometimes we hear news when they go so we just run with it, cause we hear we have to run with. Why she gonna post up blood clot people? Why you post up blood clot people? You know the girl live with her man? Suppose I lie me I tell. Why you take your enough self and post up people? Suppose I was lying. Suppose nothing no go so. Suppose I prank and I call one name. Why you gonna post up people? No session na me say when you come and see Rosealee, you know, big foot girl. Are you my combo out?
Alright, so people, Rosealee and Jake situation and people saying a prank and whatever. Me not really care now with people because me dey on TikTok for entertainment. So if any entertain me, that's okay. Me no want dig deep in it and say yo, a real thing or a fake or you know what I mean? No, me not there for that. You see them to be entertained. Because if you read too much in them social media thing, yeah, you know what I mean, you're gonna like people and them way. You see what I say? But more want to tell more one thing because we are gonna hear Rosealee I rush the lion man. You know what I mean? And I deal with him away. You see me? So we're gonna get into that part of the people. But Brit and Zozo, you know. Zozo if you know say yo, I just saw TikTok steer and him can't run up on anybody will say them a look Brit or them with it. That are just part of the package where you have to offer to get people to come on your live and them with it. Because she can't just sit down on the live and just steer, you know what I mean, just looking at in a space certain way. Although him kind of change all of that still, you know what I mean, she having somebody around kind of give her a different, you know what I mean, vibe on TikTok, and that's good. But him can't run the man them way I look Brit. If you just make she go on and do what she had, him can't be so insecure, you know what I mean. Although you don't want a man feel look your woman certain way, but as me say, TikTok are just for entertainment. So you have to learn that. You see me? So we don't want to think we are what somewhere.
When it comes to Rosealee, in a session, I miss some on upon this blood clot, yeah. When I walk up post of people for a reason. What is the reason? What wrong with you know? Embarrassing what? What the rascal me embarrassed for? Me just. Yesterday, if I yesterday me not eat. If I yesterday me not eat, I'm gonna drink the whole pot rum. She not in here. No her. Yesterday I go drink the whole heap of blood clot rum. And when I go drink the whole heap of blood clot rum. I never drink no tea, never name nothing. I just can't believe the fucking man. I just can't believe the fucking man so hard and a blood clot. I may have vent, because I'm a human being. You know, when me have vent and I chat, me not care. When me have vent and I chat, me not kill. Me not blood clot care. And that's what I say? Yeah. So me did end up drink up the whole of rum and feel some type of way. Last time I go up on the road and buy one Burger King. You know, workout because I can't yam it. You give me one blood class storyline. I'm going to tell you what the man said. I'm there on the phone with Spice. The man say, when him say, I love you, title, he was using a metaphor. When him say love you title, him say I use a metaphor. I say Him say somebody when I talk to I meet her in a KFC. He might give me one story. And what the man say me can't believe. Whether I want to believe it or believe it. Whether I want to believe it or believe it not. Me know mankind lie. With the bumper pussy clap me for the ras do. Him say I want metaphor I use. Everybody lost, everybody cheat. Me know mankind blood clot lie. But I one thing me have to tell you know whether him want me or not. Who did I go beat me this morning when me figure a doctor? Nobody. Me must lucky miss. This man when I forgot a doctor come me not eat yesterday and I drink the whole day. I made a drink some rum and the things them. I would have when I drink some rum and the blood clot things them better start to puff. Drink some tea last night, vomit. Drink some Pepsi Banit. Jake's boil some milk, give me like with salt. One little tip, one little spoon of sugar. Me drink it vomit. This man he boil some cock soup, give me drink it vomit. Since the liar called me, I couldn't condole the pain. Pure pain, I take me pain on my belly, pain vomit. I can't keep down nothing. He said to him, say, that liar said me have to go to the doctor. I saw me go to the doctor with my head stay and I just all close there. Cause me under pain. Me the under pain. Me never just run go to the doctor like me in news and I hold for pain in me under. So me tell him say he have to come bathe me. So he come bathe me off. And me go up by the doctor. Register. See the doctor. The doctor say I gas pain. Get one injection in my body. Buy my medication and take them and I feel okay. Me can't stop man from burn me. None at all. If me left Jakes and take one next man, I same problem. Me can't run from that. With somebody you say faithful in our world. Nobody not faithful. Who faithful? Married people, bond them one another. Is that you stay anywhere you run, guys, same problem. What me forgot about that? Me not perfect. Everybody fuck on one another. What me forgot about blood clot that? What me forgot do? What me forgot blood clot though? One really want me for blood clot though. Run out Jakes. Alright, me I run him out for please, you know. Me I run out blood clot Jakes. I want more of my food for cook for me pitney them on me I got no line up for do the chores. Cook my food and me pitney them food. Ensure some my money got country go get my granny and look at errands to buy anything. One I want who all who are volunteer start the process now come up in our forefront. I think it's so. But me not got one long story to me now go down here. Yeah, I say Clive, yeah. But who never sing cast a 4 stone? All I want man never fuck pound when you can't have no opinion. Some of no man who blew worse than that. What kind of prank so good? What kind of blood clap put up? What kind of prank me do I'm cock? It body mouth, what kind of prank me a blood clot though? Me don't need no prank for come beg one 2 gift. What kind of prank me I do? To come beg 2 gifts? Me no need for blood clot. Me not a blood play me I talk about prank now. So all of the Michigan them and the juries them when me say I run out, me all cash share run out. Jayden me not talk about you for remember you. Jayden me say all you blood clot run out. Me never want my mouth to you. Honestly to God. Because you come out come expose Fabi panty. You come out come expose Fabi panty to the media. You understand what I say? You come out come expose Fabi panty to the media. You come out come class Ashley. You do a whole lot of bad things, woman. You know far bad, you know, I don't well when you come out to Jakes and you Jakes will only fuck part but you disgrace your woman them. So sit that one out. When you come out to woman storage that I don't think you need to sit it out. Remember all woman draws a video, you know, dirty draws a video for show people. For have edge over her. So when you come out to woman and draws, sit that one out.
People, me ask you a question. Would you believe that Rosealee say the man tell her something? I don't feel like say she make up a story and now she just, you know what I mean, clear up the place because people are say she make up a story or don't feel like a real talk. You see me? Because at the end of the day, still no people. Man, I go cheat, you know. Me I tell you that, you know, woman I go cheat also. You see me? So, in a relationship, you say if a cheating you run from, me I tell you say, it really, sometimes, you know what I mean, it makes sense, but sometimes it don't make no sense. Because you will jump out of one frying pot and jump in a some fire. You go find a man where you love more than the man where did a burn you. You see me I say, and you find say that the man they give you more bun than the man they where you run away from. And you look back and I say, Jano star, we should have stay which part me did this, you know. Because this worse. Me not say you have to stay in a relationship where you get beer bun, you know, but sometimes you know if you make bun be the reason why you left a man. If you might overdo it well, me can see, but if you might do it on 1 and 2 times certain way, sometimes you have to just chill and just say, yo, you man I go do what you man want do. You see me I say, them I go burn you. Woman burn man too. You see me I say, so are your choice at the end of the day still now, but me just I tell you say enough of the time when you not run from bun, you go end up and get worse. You see me? I even go in a worse relationship than the bun relationship. So we have to just know say yo, bun is inevitable. And we have to just know say yo, something will come with life. So just accept it, but not accept too much of it. Make you watch some more people.
I say if you was such a good man to all the women where you take but want you, them would not run from you. Fabi run. Come here, bitch. But I make catch that warrior. Wait, I don't want that warrior pass me. Come here, bitch. My mother return there. Stab them up, black them. When it comes to woman, the more mother return there. When it comes to woman and relationship, Jayden, me not think you fit dip your mouth in that. Talk about something different. I remember saying that the last time, you know. For your woman show, for your woman expose shit in a for your panty. For your woman expose. One time Ashley come show one video with shit in a your body like your bottom I use. You forgot. Why these people not understand these things? Remember say one time Ashley come show you end up you take off so as a guy yard you take off your underpants are going with a shot of shit in it, you know. I think if you sit that one out. You have never been with somebody, you have never been with somebody that long, you don't know how to nurture that relationship. You understand? Alright. Sit that one out. Because some of the bitch fire is missing the point. All I want to miss to get up a group up in a box and a jump up in a box. And a laba from the blood clot mouth. All I want to miss the concept. Me used to spend Jake's money, so Brick Jakes can't spend my money. Me used to spend few months, them can't spend mine. Me and them there for me at 20. Me and him there for me come on social media. A long time I big and stay bad. Me and him there for me at 20, I know me at 32, and although him no want me and him still there. A 4 time him breed me, 4. I left him no want me and him still there. Me used to spend fee money when him a work so him can't spend mine when me have it. Simple. So all I want we are come dictator and all I want we are turn dictator and jury and liar and prosecutor. When I know a prosecutor and I know woman now say big bleeding bumbo. Him could have blood clot spread by all crack. I bet him buy a pussy more than fuck batty. Long as I'm not batty, I buy nothing wrong with that. Some of the blood clot girl out there, me know enough girl. Me know enough blood clot girl where their mate is a man. Up to today. Up to today, uno mate one have a man. Uno man a batty man, uno not left them. Not for uno. No say uno man a fish and still dead. Worse if uno married. So when I come go like somebody else a mascot. Uno only can shut off on the blood clot because of rosealee. Make a did smartest man did about them. Uno not even would a look. But they just want tear me down. I mean tell you, know. Some of uno suck cock, lick up batty, rotten hole. Batty man sodomite. When none of life people. I mean tell you, know. So uno can wake up this man in a box. Box. All wound, I mean talk. I could have the hand down talk. Me not justify nothing a blood clot. Me not gonna be the first and the last man fuck pan you. Say that I want to stay or I want to leave. Simple. Is that I want to stay or me want blood clot leave. The decision is up to me, not uno. For no opinion, for no opinion account, no matter how no live my life for me I live. Simple. Me no want a girl tell me how to angle my blood clot angle or angle my blood clot angle. The last time he checked me is a big woman. So all I want to walk, I look for people picture, people could have post up. Long as a man, him take fuck anybody we want fuck. And if someone left on a pussy careless to one jakes, fuck on out and pity night.
Let me tell you something about life and relationship. You see me I say, yo, you have some woman out there where as a man sleep with them, him slide. Them want a perfect man. You see me I say, them and the man could have happy like when me even know like a holiday. You see me I say, and the man sleep up and maybe give a 1 bun or a 2 bun. And them left because them nice and them cute and no man no fear cheat on them and them can't find better is out there and them find the next man and then the same thing are worse. Them left that the man there. You find out say them run through 1,000 man and end up lonely when them reach in a them like old age and at them the time them a look relationship when them don't know say for them biological clock done gone to like it don't reach the end. You see me I say, and there's no man with them, there's no ideal man out there for them. So them end up either them look a young boy and use money for hold him and accept what them did a run from all them life. Them accept vagabond. You see me I say, them live with it because them reach a stage where them don't have too much options. You see me I say, so some of the time woman we feel like say uno too good for bun and no man no fi bun no cause uno this and that, uno end up lonely and have to accept certain things where uno that never accept. Seeing more than fi accept a man where I give you bun 1 and 2 times and build some memory with that demand there and grow old with that demand there and uno can sit down on a porch when you reach retirement and have memories to look back on, have kids and them something there. Seeing some of the time people, the bun thing that you have to accept because man I go do it. Man, you see man, when man step out of a relationship and give some bun, majority of the time him just want a broke. You see me I say, and I love him step out for. Simple as that.
If someone left on the pussy, I want him fuck on and spit in like so. Oh. Me not gonna be the first younger than me get born, older me get born. Me no invent. Younger me get born, older me get born. Me no invent born, my band consi born. You know what I say? I hold up a blood clot uno by car. I hold up uno there. So send for they are foreign and send for man fire got foreign and give them green card. A man still for pound and left uno. And I uno send for the man. And give him green card. Give him access to nice life and the man left uno. And if I uno buy man, and if I uno the car when man a drive a phone one, a man still pick up gear, a man still pick up him girl every night and fucking at the vehicle when buy a left all drawers in there and condom, rapper. Man do the darnest thing and we are not we are bad bitch, do man the darnest thing too. So the whole I wanna come tumble down for me like chicken Marriott then here. Oh, chew me big and straight bad. I chew me name Rosealee. Someone come near about the last part of my bumbo. Me not take chat from people but the 12 do me a German I made sick. Me a angle and class tricks and do the things them. And if I get rid of me get rid of blood clot simple. If me I get rid of tricks me I can't tell you no. You not live my life for me. Eh? If I tell you no I can't dictate to blood clot people over here. Why want them for blood clot though? Eh? I blood clot thinking foot, thinking hole she and big foot and thinking hole. She. And I send for Queenie a blood clot. And I send it the send for Queenie. Big foot and thinking hole. I never send you the send for Queenie. What you are say? Oh no, miss. No session. Kasha, no argue with me. You and alive, you're a baby father. You not give him a chance to live. Right now you're still there court feet. You analyze, use all murder right now, big convict, you know. I don't know how you're on TikTok and people are supporting you, know. People should not listen to you at all, Kasha. You're all murderer. That's why I'm not argue with you. A prison you go. You're a whole murderer. You analyze your baby father for your pitney little bit. So when you come dictate to a girl say, come not gonna do what you do. Me not gonna do what you do. You want me to do what you do. You want me to analyze just like how you analyze your baby father and do having more. Me not putting allegedly. Me not putting allegedly. She have court no feet. Because so the case them go, it not try one time, it take her 2 year, 3 year. She not pretty cute. She's on bail. The bitch the old pan bail. She's on bail. She's on bail. Bone her over. She the pan bail. So now how you reaching at the argument? With your empty house. Cause for your blood clot, woman, when me say have blood clot, TV in a blood clot bathroom, you don't check the dentist, appear rotten teeth around yourself. Appear rotten teeth in your blood clot, but I'm not gonna argue with you, cause I realize, say, anytime I come by here, I don't want to make one money, I might name, I don't draw for me, I don't want back and forth. Kasha, I'm not gonna argue with you. TikTok. Not send me no screener card with dirty Kasha for me now, please. My fans them, my team, my T0WN them. Not send me no video with Kasha, please. Make the dead rest. In RIP Kasha, make sure rest. Coming in the home for argue with you and blood up on your hand and your shoulder. Your son naga live. Your son when your son reach 20 naga know him father. Who take your father life? My mama. It's a wicked bitch. Wicked bitch. Kasha. Wicked. I don't want to argue with girl over here and tell girl what to do. Anyway. Mrs. Shay, she get up. I rinse her mouth to me. Sure you have 2 baby father, none of them. Sure you have 2 baby father, none of them that want you. Sure you have 2 baby father, none of them want you. Sure you're a whole pa girl run through your big hole and none of them want you. The last girl where you would take her, you send for her. So you for send for your girl. She sit down under your labor. I'm not put up nothing, you know. You always want me to see you. And you know you can't come by me. Anybody who want to walk and post it and have nothing to do with me. Appear like that story you tell. And the person can be anybody. But you like information, you like news. Let us go into your news and your information. What me need a picture about. She don't need a picture about this. You send for blood clot Queenie from America. For live under your roof, which is the government. Feed her for how long? And how long you have feed Queenie for egg and noodle? And how long you still have feed Queenie for egg and blood clot noodle? You take a woman from America, you take her from there to come live with you. And you send for her. They say anybody with any girl will send, any bitch will send for somebody to come live with them. We meet her as a pen pal. I TikTok you meet her as a pen pal and send for her. You can't argue with me. If Queenie used to damn shit, say you don't know because a TikTok you meet her you don't know.
Hey, my people. We don't ever do nothing at school yet, like in a group, when you do something bad or wrong, and the teacher line on the out and telling you to open on the hands and just beat everybody 1-1 I go down the line. I saw Rosealee I deal with them at 2 blood. I saw Rosealee I deal with them here. See, and as I say my people, when it comes to relationship, you can't ask anybody at all who been in a long-term relationship or even all with them partner the things them what them go through and the things them what them have to compromise and the things them what them have to overlook and the break up with them break up and make up back and the things them where you know what I mean where them have to just say yo we are go go through this, you know, because you see the good outweigh the bad in the relationship. You see me I say ask any woman, any man, you see me I say both them relationship, if them been in a long-term relationship, ask them how much ups and downs them go through, but them decide to stay together. You see me? Make a watch some more.
Shit about Queenie and Queenie know nothing about you. When she come on TikTok with us a hear for her dirty deeds and she does a hear your one too. You don't know yourself from nowhere. Talk about that. No pen pal. You don't know Queenie from the blood clot way. You don't cause you pick up Queenie out of the rubbish. Street side. You don't know about her. I phone a meet her on TikTok. And you're lonely and a true crazy left you while you fuck Queenie, because you don't want Queenie, it shows on you. Because no girl will wear dear clothes and cook dear meat and live a lifestyle. Happiness no show up on you. Because remember, you son wear dear clothes and no cook dear meat and live in a good house and yet son not happy. And what they see you do about and them out of scratch when I see your blood clot. But you can go in a record book, scratch of record. I remember your little girl, I'll spoon you have a scratch your stinking body. Why you not got blood clot be dirty share? You want to come in on my blood clot business all the while. Make Jakes fuck for me. Make him fuck for me. And me ma fuck for none of you. Fuck for me. If him not chop it, him gonna need a new client. Sex now, but I mean so me not pre-violence. If me a call, just put him phone on silent. Him say slippery, me say wet. Me hold on for your cocky. Me a walk watch you with touch. Me birth you. You belongs to me. Who me blood clot be? Who me be? Eh? Mascot idiot girl. Uno birth man. Man belongs to uno. Man I use something for uno. Uno retarded, uno a mascot, man I use them cocky, go use back your pussy. So Chef Jakes, I use them cocky, I go use back my pussy. When me know a minds. Simple. No pain, no gain. So the whole I want a blood clot I keep Black Road for and I protest with blood clot placard. Just I use them cocky, I go lose my pussy. From a band with. Jake so woman obligation, him just fuck me and breed me, me and no blood clot married. I just my baby for them can't do anything. Him not own me and me not own him. I'm not owned by Jakes and Jakes is not owned by Rosealee. Him can't do anything. If him not want me, me not have no problem. Who do tell us me want him? Some will look a bit neat and thin a man eat well like poison. Cause shape not all that. Cause me not say nothing wrong with you. Me not say nothing wrong with your blood clot and yet still man still not want you. You have a second for your broke girl. A girl where you have to feed. A girl will spend your money. So if Jakes spend my Queenie has spend your one, Jakes must can spend mine. Remember be egg and noodle on them over there. You got the pan dietary. When the noodle hot. I wanna be life when I live. Make Jakes fuck pa me in a perfect, I'm a band with flaws. How me gonna go fuck back pan Jakes? Make him feel say bun for bun, a time for your fun. Pay noodle she name like she the pan dietary. Pay noodle. When she go for do her body, she broke. $300 pound body payment, not $1. And I mean, no one can argue with pure noodle, pure pantry, girl. 1, 2, 3 pantry. Make him fuck for me. And there's nothing I can do about it. There's nothing I can do about it. Nothing. Me never war over man yet, I mean I go war over no man. Never ever. Nothing I can do about it. My ball as me feel. Anytime it hurt me, I come ball.
The same stinking dirty girl where say she use psychology for one nastiness and the whole of her fall for tears. All of her fall for tears. Me tell King send me that all over the place. Me just ask you mean I put my suitcase in the room? Only me show you suitcase and take off them clothes then. Come if I put on back them clothes there tomorrow I want the suit in my camera. Why girl a bust shot on the internet and a flirt? Me a flight, so catch feelings while me catch flights. While the girl them a bust them shot and a flirt about me a catch flight while I catch feelings. I'm in New Orleans. You know which part them film the original True Blood and stuff like that? I am there. So let me eat some oysters big like my all. Latigo, how are you? Yes, sister winning. I'm gonna take off them clothes here. I'm gonna put on with fit my best like my white tees. So I'm gonna take off them clothes here. People, I reach out all long. I'm just a come in the room. Cause me not in the life we take on the streets of New Orleans. No! One cloth no road right there, so.
I don't see the lady in her heels and so.
We never take off our clothes and go. We gonna take off. How would them here? Me don't know them people here. Me don't know them people here. Me don't know them. Rosealee can't trick nobody on Shebada. I like her.
I feel bad because you used to this. When in your first rodeo.
At 12 years at least.
Oh.
She said something very profound. She said, you with sex all your daughter and Shanta bust out a laugh. Da da dee da da.
You sound good, though. I love it.
So I don't think me sound good, me don't know, you know. Me never bite one bit. Rosealee want to tell you enough things about GX. Eh? Let me tell you what Rosealee had do too, no? Psychology, as she said. Rosealee says she fall right off and have no content. What the only
Use on a long time.
those on a long time stuff and rub the internet. Me not ask you know. Rosealee could have never catch me with this true honey around the cut and that is so Rosealee stay. I refuse to speak about Rosealee and GX. I'm only for people in the comment section of dunce, nurse. I'm only for people in the comment section of dunce. And you see, everybody were frightened over Rosealee argument. Where I say, oh God, you bring tears to my eye. Never tell the truth about Uno.
People, what me did tell you say? Me dey tell you say, Annie and her family are running the place too much. So Rosealee say, all this, you know what I mean? Too much of you know. And drop a bombshell. Forget the people them over for your side for a while. Me not tell you say that. I same thing Shebada come tell you. And that's why me tell you say me no ram for watch them something and have them as entertainment, you know, no matter how serious it look, you know. Me I tell you, you know. I'm telling you, man, if you don't look on social media like how me look on it, man, no worry, you know, because you have some people who are invested in the people them life on social media, you know, and if one person catch up with one next person, them not like one of the person, them not like either the person we are this the person or the person we are get this them pick a side. Me not have the time for pick no side. Me just get entertained by what me see. And just know say a social media that you see me, make me know what to think, we can watch some more.
Say no for uno when they come a program we believe what Rosealee said, and no for uno when they come a program and believe what Rosealee said. Uno are the perfect example of taking the wrong set of men, always getting the same result when I run for. That is why we can feel it for Rosealee. So why Rosealee could use one say we say GX want me? Why she could ball and say, people may never know say a man will want me in spite of all of this and all of that. One, yeah. See, baby, I love you, yeah, my baby. Right, you know, I can't carry Rosealee come up foreign with me because she's not legal.
Yeah. Just the other day, I hear you say, you change all your name, Jake's wife. So you either get born, in a long time you get born, girl.
Psychology, every time she cries, she open her eye to see if the gift I say.
You see all them people there too, we are send the gift home.
Yeah, Rosealee, I forgot to take off her panty and show me how old for my beliefs or something wrong with her. Skin out your stinking old, and then Jake's in the background and help her make the money, you know.
Forgot spend it.
You never know.
See you, man.
Oh, I can't talk about she right you know. Only for call King and tell King say me they are foreign. Tell King for come cross. In there New York, then there you can't in the same country King and you can't come for me there. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, man. Me and you the same place that you can't come cross fish for me there. Come in there you hang out and drink 2NC. King do better than that. You know what kind of life you live? You waste your years. You waste your years. You don't have no days now, you waste your years. Huh? You want to reach out and touch him, it's true. King come. That's what I'm telling you, when you depend on the internet and you run up on the mouth and you showcase what you have, when you try to represent a life where you live, it hurts. It hurts. Trust me, because you lie. Remember you say every day I sit down for my fridge, so where you go customer say now? This is how expensive it is for me to get above my fridge. No, you never know. This is how expensive it is for me to get up off the fridge. Where you going?
No, I can't
remember. Me know why I take up my riches. Welcome to Louisiana. Thank you, my sweet baby. Thank you. So King can do this. We are celebrating my friend's birthday. My friend's birthday. I don't know if she tell them say it's our birthday coming up, but make me tell you, we are celebrating our birthday. And we're gonna have a lot of fun because fun started already. So King, this is me. You see, when they ask me, say, you in a theater all and what theater do for you? Come here. Me I teach you because something in our life about business and enjoyment. A lot of persons work and never enjoy the fruit of them labor. Sorry, let me not talk about the fruit. A lot of persons work and never enjoy them labor. King, when me I teach girl and boy things, me not come to them and tell them, say, me I teach you this, me show them. You get what me I say? Pick sense out of nonsense, King. Then me can slow up on my fish up and you ask, what theater do for me? So what theater do for me, yeah? Me not see no take no trip. Me not see no take no trip.
Really? Alright, let's give me a couple minutes. Look how fast he take up his bag and run go back upstairs. Look how blood clot fast he take up a blood clot bag. Look how fast he bag boom for yourself. Look there. You come back here, so watch out now. Watch out now. Look there. Look how fast. A lot of attention. Now I can't force nobody in a relationship. My mother tell me that. Man, I sleep with the T0WN. I T0WN must sleep with. Come there. I'm go calm. I'm tired. I have to take care of myself. I have my opening to do. A lot of people know say me up here so a business me come pan. A lot of people know say a business me come up here so pan. Put in a cooler, Chanel. Well, you know, one time we were calling, right? You see if I can get me for God, TT for Japara, please.
Which price you go?
Chanel go take a dollar, Chanel, it a juke me. Just look at the point.
Alright, so my people, basically what go on here, so a TT a complain about the situation with she and Jagger and Chanel, you know what I mean, and Jagger and PR much mind, and you see me, she want cut because she feels some type of way, you know what I mean, but right now me get to find out say Jagger have one next woman, my people. So TT in the position where Chanel did Ina, she a get bunny now, while Chanel kinda accept the bun and know say yo I saw it go. She have her ways, yeah, but she just accept the bun, but TT she don't really want to accept bun certain way. She want Jagger, you know what I mean? But on a level my people, me not share much, you know what I mean, cause too much now go on, you see me, until them start push out some new something. Me, you know what I mean, share much more with Uno. So we are go over to Zuma, you know, and hear what Zuma say, cause you see the Zuma come talk, it's a rosealee, a prank the internet, so me go hear what him say.
She can get a vehicle.
Santa Cruz.
Yeah, I don't know if she know if I go home, but me have to go. You know, I don't know if she know where we done, but me know if I can find the right direction, she can go home.
She wanna say why it's a prank. Because surely in an artificial field, say it's a prank. Rosealee is a woman love show proof. Last time when she had the live as a Jake sheep on her, she got on the phone. Why she never show the world why she never show TikTok the proof? She said she go on the phone, listen, my side, put up a live chat. She says she went into the phone and see Jake's and a girl correspond. Why she never show the proof on TikTok? Listen. The hospital, she got to ask for the shamit half people don't and fool, but in other sense. It was all a prank. It was all a made up story. It was all a make-up story. With a lot of sense. None of two princess wagwan. The entire time Jakes laugh. My side, tap the screen. Part up the screen chat. Bro, the whole time when Juice and I Jakes laugh, but he might have to be serious. He might have to make it be more realistic. It was all a make-up, so it was all a prank. And only people on TikTok that get pranked over and over and over and over. And she gets a couple content. She gets a couple TikTok as well. She gets a couple content creator as well. She played it off so smooth. Rose is a woman ever she was. Receive and Jakes that takes a woman. Rose that showed up in her life. Rose that showed up from the last night in her life. Rose that a fake man. When I tell them it's like Rose they want to laugh. But when I met I realize what I'm going. Me know Rose very well. I know Rose in person. I know Rose very well. It was all a prank. And Rose they get 18,000 attention. She get 18,000 attention. Full up with fake eye water. When I tell them Jakes, and I said, you was stop saying that no? It was all a prank. It was all a make-up story. Follow me, one. My side, port up live. Port up live. Follow me, one, my mother. Follow me, they know some Jim say give me 2 puskin. As God live it. Follow me, they know some Jim say give me 2 puskin. It was a prank. Investigate underscore same day. Don't come scream a cab again and give over ya. Don't come do that. It was all a prank, bro. On the fall for Rosealee prank. Let me show the story again. What the duns? I got touch some solid point. Let me show the duns and the sense. Push baby mother. I can live with them baby father and them good at the phone and see them baby father take feed them money and go buy sex from a different girl with feed them money and come on the next day I laugh with them baby father. It was all a prank on Rosealee. Rosealee pull off a prank, she pull it off so marvelous. And Rosealee gets 99.9, I don't know, 18,000 people over here. Feel sorry for Rosealee. Rosealee is a marketing genius. It's Rosealee and Jayden. Those two know to keep relevant, know to stay relevant. There too is a marketing genius. You farming? I'm a co-worker, I never play along, don't say it. Fatty, she's my co-worker. I never play along. I know a prank, but I just come give her up on the day. She's my co-worker, so I never play along with it, idiot. Rosealee, Jayden, Ivan, they're a marketing genius. They know to stay relevant. Yes, Ivan do there. Expose her own herself because she knows she can be a talk about. Her name gonna all your talk. And the more talk and talk about her, the more relevant she get, and the more views she get, and the more money she make. Ivan is smart, Rosealee smart, Jayden smart. But what a day when them cry wolf. When the real wolf come and there's nobody to help. Rosealee play of that prank so smooth. She went to the hospital. It was all a prank. So when you come in and prank us, when we prank people fatty, more prank cock in your ears. That girl named Fatty, more prank hood in your ears, prank hood in your mouth and your nose, prank hood in your belly. Broke it off in your ears. It was all a prank. Yesterday Rosealee coming. I'm still not bring the rose and the mess to watch people fucking idiot. And it was that prank, Rosealee prank them. Some people content creator bring her the mess to watch me idiot. And this is that prank, Rosealee prank the one on. Well now I can say Rosealee and Jakes they better laugh off her one. She gets 18,000 on attention with prank. Idiots. She prank on them. On all get prank and fall for the prank. You know guys inside Rosealee. When Rosealee tell Chantal for come back, I get bloody Rosealee want to laugh. Push up serious to back. When Rosealee tell Chantal come back, I feel like that gun on me now. She wanna laugh, a prank. Idiot people, idiot, unscrupulous, junker than a sense. Low life people, it's prank, prank. P-R-A-N-K. Only get prank over again and I get prank. Rosealee know to keep relevant, you know to stay relevant. Don't sit the whole time drinks a laugh. In the background. The whole time Jakes was laughing in the background. Don't set peoples. Make a break it on the tiny part because I show this a prank. First thing first, listen to me, don't set people because I don't see the nanas. My side, portable life and shit life. But now stop get prank over because I don't. Oh, not smart. I show the 3 solid reason why I pick up say a prank and why me no say a prank. I know Rosealee very well. I know I let me hand back. Listen to me.
Well, my people, zoom and talk on me and listen. It look like say him on to something. So make we listen. Them 3 points that him have where him say boy this them 3 things are the reason why him know say a prank. See it, make we listen it and then we jump off.
Whole time when Rosealee has sat up, Rosealee's a woman, love ball. Look at the police situation, the police come and house come expose her. This is come by life and ball. I water, such a shame. That's real, that wasn't a prank. If she go to the phone and say Jakes, I take her next girl, use fair money, buy friend for my next girl. Rosealee shit, I water up on life. You see, I know Rosealee shit, I water last night. But this is the time when Rosealee tell Shanta for going out because you know get bloody Rosealee want to laugh. But to the dunce, because the fall for the chop, you don't understand what you don't watch body language, you don't watch fifth expression, you don't watch him thing on the dunce. You don't step on the life, Jakes wicked. I even last time you see me come live and say Jakes wicked. Me know a prank, but I'm a co-worker, I can't let her down. We have a play along. We call ball. Girl of hosting, we call ball. What they call cry? What they call cry? Idiotic people. What they call? You see them, I'm check the people. On your body, my side power tap me now. No bad gallis, we go suck your mother gallis. We have some requests for. He even follow my batty boy. All of that you go suck your mother. Come on from my life, no man. My side power tap, it was all a makeup story. It was all a makeup story from the beginning to the end. And Rosealee gets 18,000 prank. The first proof I show you say why I prank. The whole time Jakes laugh at the background. Secondly, which baby mother I go have them baby for them live it for 12 years and go in and phone and say he might use fair hard working money buy friend for my next girl and come by the next day and laugh at him happy like nothing never happened. Fucking dunce, ridiculous, jungle, scrupulous, only dunce like a bat and the nasty get prank boy. She go kill him when I got dead with prank. Only dunce like a bat. Fucking idiot. When I talk about the dunce and the nasty get prank. Who do you remember that Jayden, Ash and Jayden thing? When Ash say, to what in a Jayden face? The whole on the fall feet. The whole on his fall feet. And Ash come out the bus with everything say a prank. Fucking idiot, trying to get prank over and over again. Only I never learn. My side, top is we have 400 people over here. Please to top the screen. Please, I'm asking you kindly to come look up on people live and have a tap to the blood clot mother. Or look up on certain content creator live. Or have a tap out to the finger. Or 1 million taps. My soul, I can't never get that yet. I mean, if you want to tap the screen for me, my blood clot live. Tap the screen for me, I'm live. out, you never take it out. And the amount of Jesus Christ. But I just really and truly can't bother. So Annie, listen me, I have said to you. So all along, I saw you talk to people. Saskia, no come with that. Saskia, no come with that, baby girl. I mean, no, I talk to people them. I saw me run joke with people them. I said that this scream and ray. Saskia, no bother come with that. Rosealee, this no put dips Rosealee, this up on the blood clot. Saskia, I go over Rosealee live and say, ask him, so she talk to people. Take a walk over Rosealee live, I have a real long live and ask him. Mother, with that black your blood clot, so the people can come around and ask some question, some ridiculous question. Saskia is even no good for you, just see, and the mama whine about black and eat your fat ass. You understand? Alright.